Unang inilaunch ang Honda Supremo noong 2012 as the direct successor of the TMX 155. Ibang approach ang ginawa nila sa design nito to appeal newer generation of riders. Ang TMX Supremo 3rd generation ay hindi tinipid at mas in-improve ang specs ng engine that can maintain its fuel efficiency up to 62 kilometers per liter. It uses 150cc 4-stroke single overhead cam, air-cooled single-cylinder, carb-type fuel system, 5-speed gear transmission. Mayroon itong dry weight na 121 kilograms at mabibili nyo ito sa halagang 75,400. It has 10.3 liters fuel tank capacity. And as I've said, it has 62 kilometers per liter fuel efficiency. Not bad for this kind of motorcycle. It seems like you were using a fuel-injected engine. At hindi ka na din mahihirapan sa pag-check ng fuel level dahil sa feature nitong fuel gauge sa instrument panel na wala sa ibang TMX. It also comes with 18 inches tires, same as with the TMX 125 Alpha. At dahil dyan, nakatulong din ito para magkaroon nito ng mataas na ground clearance at seat height for the rider's comfort, especially on rough roads. It makes the Supremo TMX better suited for heavy-duty rides. And although meron na itong bagong decals, hindi pa rin nawawala ang trademark look ng isang Honda TMX. At dahil kadalasan itong ginagamit pang pasada at pang negosyo, naisipan na din ng Honda na lagyan ito ng 3-point sidecar attachment. Kaya no need na magpalagay ng fixed bracket para sa sidecar. Naghahanap ka pa ng amazing feature? Guess what? Meron na itong passing light as safety feature kapag mag-overtake at pagbibigay sinyales na hindi ka na makakapag-emergency brake. At dahil kadalasang mahirap paandarin ang mga pantra pag malamig ang makina, mas madali na lang ang pag-access sa choke control nito. Makikita mo ito right beside the high and low beam button sa left handlebar mo. One more feature, they've also considered installing shutter key for extra safety. And for its price point, sulit ito and worth having on your list. At Kung umabot ka hanggang dito sa part ng video na to, maraming salamat. And hopefully natulungan kita para makapag-decide kung anong motorsiklo ang para sa'yo. At syempre kung hindi ka pa rin nakakapag-subscribe dito sa channel, please i-click mo na yung subscribe button at notification bell para once we have new uploads, ma-inform kayo kaagad.